and welcome.
The only facts about my raps that are true is that they're crap and my voice is so bad that I do need to use auto-tune in my parodies. Kinda sound like art.
That's the rap that I'm gonna sing, but actually that I left you some of the rap.
You're a genius.
Jeff, where are you
To the
going?
recording studio.
Jeff, right here.
Oh, how'd you get here so quickly? Here, you show me the comments and I will rap them. The most generic white man ever. The most generic white man ever. I'm so white, I'm like a coloring book not filled in. I'm looking like the Walmart version of Ricky Dillon. My forehead is more big than Jack's films is. Part Clorox, part toilet, a little bit copyright notice is mixed in. The only facts about my raps that are true is that they're crap and my voice is so bad that I do need to use auto-tune in my parodies. Kinda sound like R2D2 when he opera sings vulgarities. The most generic white man ever. The most generic white man ever. If Justin Bieber and the Homo Kid had sex, you get me a Ryan Gosling but with birth defects. Is this the private YouTube channel of Ellen DeGeneres? Or a failed attempt to copy Weird Al and a lack of friends? I'm so white the KKK can eat their new guy. But they said I gotta quit looking like Jimmy Neutron. The bags under my eyes are good for kangaroo herding. I sound like Matthias if he were a 40-year-old virgin. The most generic white man ever. The most generic white man ever. I do look like a beauty pie and you supply of bits from guys who utilize YouTube. Subscribe so dudes can find my new design and use the like to neutralize the hues just like by ruining my good mood inside. With new replies to humanize and scrutinize the viewer size and rumor I should suicide in lieu of trying to revive my neuter 5-year blooper. I call YouTube, I no sooner find my music's claimed abuse the strength fair use tonight. Now eulogize this loser wife his future died and crucified. The most generic white man ever. The most generic white man ever. Thank you guys for all the awesome comments.
Thank you guys for watching. Hit the comment, have some comments down below, and see you guys next time. And don't forget, hit the subscribe button and the bell button and the like button, and leave comments down below so I can make more videos or songs. But that's the day for the rap. He's gonna have my roast yourself challenge. Whoa! Bye guys!